Taurus is your channel messages for the 24th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Taurus, we're going straight into your channel song. Taurus, you know about love. You and Libra shares Venus. Taurus, you know, why won't you listen to me sing for you, Taurus? You know, when people, have you listened to your girlfriend sing to you? Or you tell her so she off key or she tone deaf? What do you tell her? When someone sings to you, they're showing emotions. And you were my baby. Still when we were younger, you were my ooh. Has your man's have ever sung to you? Say, got a lot of crooks trying to steal your heart. Could never figure out how to love. How to love. You had a lot of moments that didn't last forever. Now you in this corner trying to put it together. How to love. How to love. For a second you were here, now you over there. It's hard not to stare the way you're moving your body like you never had love, right? Singing is the ultimate way of expressing one's feelings. So Taurus, this is your channel song. Put on the magic glasses. Power Rangers activate! You got a fast car, I got a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Started from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car, I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. We don't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. You see, my old man's got a problem. He lived with a bottle, that's the way it is. He says his two body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. Mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live or die this way. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, feel like I was drunk. See the lights before us and your arms rolled dice around my shoulders, and I had a feeling I belong. I had a feeling I can be someone, be someone, be someone. I hope you have a feeling you can be someone, Taurus. You know who is not feeling like they could be someone right now? Canada Post. You're unreasonable people. You did all of this just to see that you could win, and guess what? You still are losers. Canada Post. What is this? This is very undemure. Canada Post. So, Montreal News reads, Canada Post saw hundreds of millions of dollars drained out, right? Last quarter due to largely what? Basically the package them now get delivered. That's what they're saying. While ongoing strike continues to batter this bottom line. The Crown Corporation said that Friday it lost $315 million before tax in their third quarter, larger than its $290 million loss earlier this year. So I'm just trying to show my Canada Post workers something, right? Last year them lose $290 million during this whole strike. Calculating the calculations, you understand? I never passed maths, but I did pass science. So remember, kids, if you do not know how to add, make sure you know what the Big Bang is. Because if you don't know this, science can actually replace math, okay? If you don't have maths, make sure you have science, right? Okay, great. So do the maths, Asian brain. While doing the maths with my Asian brain, with the brain that my colleague Chin had loaned me, right? So you basically just lose $25 million. The Canada, why you never just give the $25 million to the Canada Post worker them? Them ask you for 22% over 4 years, right? You just lose 25 million amid this whole strike thing because on the side say, we don't want to pay the people them. When you just lost 25 mil. And I'm showing you, now Taurus rules possessions and Canada Post have the people in possessions. So let me tell you this on behalf of the Hierophants. This is what the system shows you. Them rather waste the money, them rather throw away the money than pay you know. Because that's how the poor stay poor and the rich stay rich. That's how them get your ass to constantly come back to work and beg for a job. That's how they do it. $25,000 just waste. How much were the people asking for? You could have give them 25. You could have just give them $25 million now and said, here, we'll hold this and we'll allow them under oath for the next 5 years. You could have done that. But guess what? This is what greed do. And I don't care what any Canada Post workers want to say. I have done my cancer research with Yale University. Dr. Shagpar knows what I am talking about. But this is what I'm talking about, Dr. Shagpar. This is what I'm talking about. You rather be greedy. You rather see the money waste and give the Canada Post worker them what ask for money. You just waste 25 million for nothing. And what gonna happen the next quarter, it'll calculate more. The more them dip on the strike, and the more una lose money and una not give them money. Terrible. Taurus rules other people's possessions. So Taurus must know when they don't want to pay you, you hold on for your things. That's why the bull never sells. My mother taught me, don't go to people's house and go eat chips. Unless it's banana chips. You hear me tell you, don't cash in your chips because the bull, you never know how the bull will go. You have the bull and the bear. That's why the bull will always rule. Because I'm showing you, the Hierophant, the commitments, the oath, the pastor. Now, why would you make all this money waste on the Canada Post people and just beg you for a little bit more money? It's blasphemy, that's what it is. It's showing you that, listen, we understand what you're saying. I see where you're going. I understand you want better working conditions. I understand that when you're old, you don't want to do OnlyFans. You actually want a retirement fund. We understand this, but we're still not going to pay you. We're going to make the money waste and have a standoff. It's terrible, and I'm so sorry for my Canada Post workers. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Taurus, so we're doing your pick a card reading. We have 3 cards here, Taurus. Select the one that you feel drawn to, and we'll go from there. So if you chose card number, I'm sorry, my nose is so sweaty. If you chose card number 1, Taurus, you are choosing the Knight of Cups. So I'm getting a very sweet figure. This is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. He's coming towards you. Maybe somebody wants to reconnect after a long time of not speaking. Your second card is the 6 of Pentacles. Somebody wants to give you something. It's not something big, but I'm getting, this could be flowers. This could be donation. This could be anything. I'm getting somebody that come with a little gift in them hand. It's not a lot. It's not an engagement ring, but it's something. It's little. A box of chocolate. It's just something little. The 6 of Pentacles. It's not a lot, okay? Your other card is the 3 of Cups. Now, maybe this person is coming back and apologizing to you because you know that they were dating other women. Me getting the reason why it broke off with you and this Cancer man, they had other women, basically. Women, it's either women who is their ethnicity and you're not their ethnicity, them they talk to them. Like if you meet an Indian guy, you'll never know the Indian people, him speak another language. So I'm getting, for example, you meet an Indian guy, yeah, him a date already. You don't know because you ain't Indian, you're not in the community basically. So I'm getting a find out, him and come back, come talk to you. I'm getting, the girl is a Cancer, the girl is a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, and the guy is a Cancer. We have the 10 of Pentacles, or I'm getting you have money now. It's weird though because the 3 of Cups is beside the 10 of Pentacles. I'm getting you spend off the whole of your money with them girl here, and the one that was liking you without money, now you want to come back and spend time with her because the girls them who you were spending money on, them not going to spend time with you or sleep with you unless you're spending money. So you abandon the Taurus because the Taurus was too boring, or the Capricorn or the Virgo was too boring because you wanted to hang out with somebody more fun. You spend off your money with the people and more fun. Now you don't have any more money. You know whose friendship you could get without money. The Earth sign one. So I'm getting that's why you're coming back. And I guess you're giving them 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, with the 5 of Pentacles. You don't even have any more money. You're giving her 6, or you want her to believe say you have money. You don't have. You have 6 of Pentacles giving her. You plan to give her 6 of Pentacles. You're in 5. Because apparently you waste the 10 on all of these women. We have the Queen of... Yeah, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. I'm getting another Cancer woman. I'm getting this is your habit. Your habit is every time you get a large amount of money, you abandon the girl you're with. 5 of Pentacles again. We have 5 of Pentacles 2 times. 5 of Pentacles clarifying the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. Yeah, basically that's what it is. I'm getting every single time you get money, you abandon women. And then when you don't have no money, you go back to the one who like you or who never asks you for the most money. I don't know what this is. Alright, so going back to the card selection, Taurus, go ahead and choose which one to view. So if you chose this card, you're getting the King of Pentacles. So I'm getting a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo coming out. So I'm getting this businessman, something about this new business, this business endeavor. Your second card is the 10 of Cups. So I'm getting something about this man and his family. This man wants a family with you, or I'm getting somebody wants to be in a relationship with you. Your third card out is the Page of Swords. This man has been watching you online. This man could also be a music producer, or him create beats, him is a beat maker. Me hearing beats in my ears. The person is a beat maker, them upload them beats online, or that's how they do their, whatever they do. I'm getting somebody does music. Them interested in you, them watch you online, or you're going to be discovered. Your third card is the Emperor. Yeah, I'm getting is a owner of a record label. They want you, so he could work for the Emperor. Or I'm getting, he told the Emperor about you, but the Emperor like you. Yeah, we're the Wheel of Fortune, yeah. I'm getting masculine and feminine, your male to your female, Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting this Emperor. I'm getting the Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo tell this Emperor about you. Something about music or some type of production. We have the High Priestess, okay, could be because you're a tarot reader. The Emperor might want you. I'm getting your both. You're a High Priestess, and I'm getting something about music. You know, music, and we have the Page of Pentacles. Like, I'm getting a new CD, your first single. I'm getting a tarot reader in the studio, bro. I read cards in the leather, credit cards and a scammer. Tell them the future, prediction, all that matters, right? I'm getting something about you, one High Priestess, or I'm getting this record label one, this High Priestess for Scouts. Them one is High Priestess for Scouts who are coming. I kind of feel like the High Priestess are the woman who don't show her face. I'm getting Sia. Like the woman who don't show her face as she can start sing. Or I'm getting something about rebranding. Them want you look more butch and more guy-like. Them not really want you just like a girl. If that's not him, I'm getting something about 2 identities. One of them, you actually tell the record label what to do and walk one of the whole shit. And then the other part of it is you're the talent. Kind of like Beyonce. To me, Beyonce would have been the advisor, the High Priestess to the record, the Rock Nation, to me. She'd have been the High Priestess to it. She know the moves to make what to do, what not to supposed to do. When it comes down to an energetical foundation, I find it very surprising that while they snub Beyonce for her country album, Taylor Swift was busy in Canada. They make sure Taylor Swift was out of the country. So nobody can say Taylor Swift why Beyonce never get her country sing, right? You know from how long Beyonce and Taylor Swift have come from. And I just want to say, Beyonce has the best record of all time. Thank you, right? From back then, which was how long ago? Okay. And Beyonce was nominated, Taylor Swift won. Kanye West did bum rush the stage and basically said that to Taylor Swift, right? Years later, come round later, this ain't Texas, right? Taylor went to Canada with Justin Trudeau. While Beyonce was blacklisted or Beyonce was not let into the country music awards. And this is what happens. So let's go with your final card now. If you selected this card, my love, You selected the Nine of Pentacles. So I'm getting a Virgo. So we are kind of in the frame of earth signs today. I'm getting a Virgo, single, ready to mingle, or I'm getting you're just admiring yourself and you love being single. Maybe you love the fact that you don't have to answer to anybody. You don't have to care about anybody's emotions, right? Okay, well, we have the Knight of Cups. Maybe you do want to care about someone's emotions right now. So maybe you like long distance relationship. You like a relationship where the man is not around you 24/7. You can spend time by yourself, enjoy yourself. When the man comes around, you can be serving to him. And when he leaves, you can refuel that love. So I feel like that's sometimes reason why man not like that with woman. Because when you wake up with a woman, them so I'm just saying. Man too. This is why sometimes woman don't want to live with man and man don't want to live with woman. When a man come pick you up, or when you see him after a long day of work, you're so excited. When you wake up with him, you're gonna say, you brush your teeth from morning, right? So there's kind of more of a excitedness when you don't live with somebody. If you drive over there, if you see them dressed up, you see them, I don't know. I'm getting, you like when they're there, and when they're not there, you just attend to yourself. You have the Six of Swords, all right? I'm getting to want to go on vacation. Okay, so I'm getting you will stay alone, him gone. Sometime him come see you, or him will take you on vacation with him. But me getting majority of the time is single. You could have been a single woman, or me getting a relationship where the guy always busy, you stay by yourself. It's not something we're in each other's butt cheeks 24/7. That's not how it's going to be. Him leave, him come back, and me getting while he's away, while he's there, you're well taken care of. So money is not an issue. Alright, I'm going to say, not an issue, come up, turn up. Man is not an issue, come up, turn up, right? Okay, so we have the Fool card. Yeah, I'm getting you love this. You love the fact you can be single when you want to, and when you don't want to, you can just whoop and go back to, oh, I'm someone's girlfriend, okay? We have the Knight of Cups, right? We have the Knight of Cups 2 times. Are you dating twins? Are you dating brothers? Hello? Right? We have Knight of Cups 2 times. I'm getting it. That's what you love. You're alone. This is pretty self-explanatory. We have the Six of Cups and we have the Six of Swords twice. Capricorn, Taurus, we don't know who this match is. This is your match. I'm getting that you want. You want to be single, not be viewed as single. You can be viewed as a married woman. That's fine. You want to be alone, single in your own time, in your own space. Say you see the person once a week. Them come spend time with you. When they don't spend time with you, then bring you go somewhere with them. I'm getting, I love the dynamic of that, of having time for do what you want to yourself. Maybe you like to shopping alone, you like to go out alone, you don't really necessarily like a boyfriend around you, and him a carry bag, and him tired of blood clot, when he could be home playing Call of Duty. That's how you distract them. Woman, let me teach you a secret that I have learned when I was married, 2 bags of sugar, right? You don't ask your man to come to the place with you, to walk around with you like a dog while you shop, because we do not make decisions fast. However, we do get in bed fast. I'm speaking for myself, right? Okay. You tell him to give you money and he stay home and he play PS6. Wow, right. So therefore, he does not watch the time when you're out. You're out for 3 hours because you want to buy the sexy lingerie that you want, halal lingerie for you to be seen in. Great. Make him sit down and play PS6 and you go. Tell him to give you money. Tell him to implant the memory in his head to play Call of Duty and go shop. Do not tell him to come with you. Even though you may want him to pay. No. That's not how you do it, sweetheart. 2 cups of sugar. You tell him to sit down and play a game and send him money. And when he send you the money, you say, okay, sweet, I'm soon come. And make sure before you come home, you buy fast food for him, because that guy ain't gonna cook. He playing PS6 all motherfucking day, okay? Alright, so that's pretty self-explanatory. We have 66 and we have Knight of Cups 2 times. Make it think this is your match. This is your match. This feels like soulmate energy. I'm not gonna lie. We got enemy. Ooh. We got the Hermit, a Virgo card. We got Kill Them With Kindness. Ooh. And we have the Star card. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.